What's up, everybody? Welcome to LiveCaseBreak.com. We have baseball 5-box break featuring 5-star. This is number 86 in the store. We have 13 USA, 7 legendary cuts, 7 ultimate, 11 tier 1, and one of our favorite products. Haven't broken this in a couple months, brought it back tonight. 12 5-star. Beautiful stuff. Okay, here is the sheet. Joe with the Mets, David, Rockies, Brett, D-backs, Kyle, Stros, Frank, Jays, and Nats, Joe with the M's, Mike, Reds, Jason, Dodgers. We got a William with the Braves, Jason, Cubs, Steven, Indians, Padres, Dwight, White Sox, Jordan, Rays, Shane, Brewers. Alex has the Sox, the Red Sox, Mike P with the Royals. David with the A's, Joe, Phillies, and Pirates. Another back-to-back random for Joe and the Pirates. Frank, Yankees, Alex, Tigers, Trevor, Angels. I almost said Halos there. That's what I meant to say. Buddy, Twins and Marlins. Steven, Rangers. Dwight, Cardinals. John, Giants. And the last Mojo spot random was Wansuck with the O's. Okay. Baseball 86. Good luck, guys. Same format as last time. The last break of the night's a little different, and like I said, I just lowered all the prices for the remaining teams on that last break. So grab them now, and slice those. No classics off everything first. Go with USA to start. Steven, you have the Rangers, Indians, and Padres, and you got the historical cards. Historical cards, there's presidential cuts in legendary cuts. What USA break are you talking about, Nate? Was it tonight? You talking about tonight's USA? Yeah, it'll go to you then. If he was drafted by the Cubs, it'll go to you. Anything that's said in the break room from people looking up isn't official. I research every single card before I ship it out. So that's definitely going to the Cubs. No worries. You got it, man. Okay, and USA, our big popper will start. You get that flat tire fixed, man? Oh, Twins and Marlins. All Twins and Marlins in this break for Buddy. That's right. Nate, I gotta apologize to you. I forgot about that. I offer my sincere apologies. Oh, you walked right into that. For the absolute brutal beating I gave you in fantasy last week. I set the record in the league for the biggest blowout against you. 240 some odd points. That's what I need to apologize for. There you go. Yeah, I wouldn't expect too much from the Giants this box, John. A Will Clark auto comes out, it's yours, though. Will Clark auto comes out, it's definitely yours. Tire Place fixes stuff for free. I think they have some some rooks in here. Not honestly sure. Posey should have some cards. I'm not sure if Posey has an auto in it. I think he does, because I'm pretty sure he had a Prism auto. Someone look that up for me? Buster Posey have autos in this? Sandoval's in it too. There you go. They're not actually too bad. Of course, you still have to hit those cards, so we'll see. Alright guys, USA first. Let's bang it out here. Yeah, you did call it last night, yeah. Okay, Brian Johnson for the Red Sox is the first card. Collegiate Game Gear. Brian Johnson for the Red Sox. Another filler card there. Hits. Where are they? Garrett Williams Mirror Blue out of like 800 or 300. There's an auto, Christian Arroyo. Do we have a team for Christian Arroyo? Get the spelling there. Someone look that up for me. Christian Arroyo. Cannot get the name to show up. There you go. Christian Arroyo. Conforto and Rodon. Christian Arroyo. Is it really the Giants? That's funny. Second half. I wouldn't mind a Clemens auto to pop out. Always goes to the Red Sox. And I would have to buy it. TJ Peterson. Okay, so that Christian Arroyo is believed to be a San Francisco Giant. Richie Schaefer for the Rays, 1600 Game Gear. Schaefer for the Rays. So far, the Red Sox, Giants, and Rays have hits. Richie Schaefer. Your streak is over, John. Filler card there, and base. Okay, second half of the USA box. Good luck. Ben McDonald die cut, filler. Stanek. USA coupon. Does anyone actually shop on USA.com? Oh, we got Stars and Stripes, Michael Wacha for the Cardinals. Not a Stars and Stripes, so Collegiate Game Gear. Michael Wacha for the Cardinals. That goes to Dwight. So Dwight, it's all yours. Highlight card and a filler. Alright, we have 4 hits so far, so we're due at least one more. Hopefully we get an extra. Parker Kelly, non-auto. There's a Stars and Stripes auto. Zach Green out of 855. That is not a short print. 855, Zach Green. What do we got for Zach Green for the team? Zach Green. We did get a Nomar, that was cool. Zach Green, Phillies. Philadelphia, that goes to Joe E. There you go, Joe. No skunk with the Phils. There is a, wow, nice auto. Michael Conforto, Mirror Red out of 49. Michael Conforto. That is a undrafted, right? Oh, that's okay, Nick. No worries. No problem at all, man. Just let me know if you need any, because I can definitely transfer some. Yep, definitely screenshot that one. Michael Conforto out of 49. Okay, we definitely 100% positive this kid's not drafted yet, right? We'll do an on-screen random for it since it's worth so much. Conforto at 49, mirror red. Alright, we'll do an on-screen random after the break for that one. Big card. That's probably the biggest card we've hit from USA now. Base. Remember, guys, that's random between the hitless teams. Hitless teams. Alright, next up. Tommy Lasorda coming up. Looks like a die cut. Yes, it is, out of 299. And last card is not an auto. Dominic Taccolini, and that's it. Okay, so it's not a $200 card. $30 to $40 card. So we can all calm down now. Okay, let's do legendary cuts next. Thick card. Seems like a thick card in legendary cuts anyways. Might have ourselves a cut auto. Do it up. Yeah, if it was the gold to 10, it might be worth a couple hundred. Last pick of the night, guys. I marked everything down. There's the link right there. 87 is the last one of the night. Everything is marked down. Alright, there's the hit right off the top. We have a legendary cut single piece relic out of 199. Tony Perez for the Reds. That is an old school jersey patch. Big Mike, no football tonight. I got football Friday night. Friday night I will have football. Here's the schedule, Big Mike. Bookmark that page. That tells you exactly when we're doing it. Okay, Tony Perez, single jersey at a 199. Nice card for the Reds. Legendary materials there. Cincinnati. That goes to Mike P. All right, rest of the LC box coming up. That looks like it's the thick card that I thought it was, and that's a filler, so that's a bummer. If that is indeed the deal. Here's a Thomas Paine, Legendary Americana author out of 500 for the history spot. Nice looking card there. The rest of the box, I think we got one more hit. Kirby Puckett for the Twins, Stitch of Time. Jersey relic. Puckett for the Twins. Twins were in a random combined with the Marlins. Buddy. There you go. Kirby Puckett, Stitch of Time. No problem, Mike. Thank you, man. Alright, so Stitch of Time, Kirby Puckett, white jersey relic for the Twinkies. And there's a parallel hiding at the end. Jim Bunning for the Phillies, Legendary Lineage out of 550. And last two are base. Alright, so there's our LC box. Okay, ultimate time. I'm gonna grab these ultimates out right in a row. Guys, we got a couple case breaks coming up Friday night. We're doing a 5-star case break. And we are doing a 2012 Prime football case break. Both coming up this Friday night. So we're going to do a couple full case action. Alright, Brian Roberts out of 450 for the O's. Joe Nathan for the Twins, Ultimate Star Materials, got a little stitch across it, so a little bit of life, as I like to say. For the Twins, middle card is Andy LaRoche for the Dodgers, out of 299 rookie auto, and the bottom card, Star Materials, Tony Gwynn for the Padres. Tony Gwynn for the Padres. First pack of Ultimates. Second pack of Ultimates. Base card is Ben Sheeta, 450. Troy Gloss for the Jays. There's a rare one. Game used. Troy Gloss for the Jays. That's going to Frank B. Frank B. 25. Troy Gloss. America's pastime. Middle card. Chien-Ming Wang for the Yankees. Chien-Ming Wang autograph for the Yankees. The Yankees were Frank. Frank, there you go. He's a Blue Jay now. And bottom card looks like a relic is Danny Herron for the A's. Danny Herron for the A's for David B. Alright, another pack down. Next one up. They are, yep. Okay, Carlos Lee out of 450 for the Stros. We have Michael Young for the Rangers, Star Materials. James Loney, he's a Ray now. This is a Dodgers auto though. So LA Dodgers, that is going to. The Dodgers were Jason S. James Loney, and bottom card is a relic. Another Tony Gwynn. Ultimate Team Materials. Tony Gwynn. So 2 Tony Gwynn relics for the Padres. For Steven. 9 out of 50 this one is. Ultimate Team Materials swatch, supposedly. But not much of a swatch. Alright, in the last card, this is probably going to have the big patch in it. And yes, it does. Looks like a big patch auto it could be. Chad Cordero for the Nationals out of 450. Ivan Rodriguez for the Tigers. Nice card. Ultimate Collection out of 50. Middle card is an auto. Howie Kendrick for the Angels. And last card is a patch. Definitely a Gwynn hotbox. 14 out of 25. We got a triple color patch coming up. So good luck, guys. And here it is. Jimmy Rollins for the Phillies. Dual color patch. Triple layer, I guess. 3 breaks. White, white, red for the Phillies. The Phillies were Joe E. So there you go, Joe, Jimmy Rollins, nice dual color out of 25. Kind of nice Phillies fan that'll make that card a nice home. Alright, we got 5-star and Tier 1 left. That's it. And the last break of the night. Last break of the night has some Valiant action in it. So we'll get 10 on-card autographs. Alright, Rizzo, rookie card for the Padres out of 199. Blue parallel. We got Schmidt out of 799. Jackie out of 799. Dan Jeter. First card. Drew Storen for the Nationals on the rise. Storen for the Nationals on the rise. Middle auto. So Noesi for the Yankees on the rise. So Noesi for the Yankees on the rise. That goes to Frank. And the bottom relic. Let's go for a Hall of Famer here. And we got a Hall of Famer. Eddie Murray for the Orioles at a $3.99. Game used back. Orioles are once up. Once up. Hey. O's Eddie Murray game used bat at a $3.99. Steady Eddie. Okay, to 5-star we go. Good luck. Here's the box. Another small box. Very small box. There's got to be a redemption in here. Yep, we got a redemption in the middle here, so very small box. We got 5 hits and the base. There's the base, empty box. Well, that means if we have a book and 5-star, it's hiding in the last box. This will be the last break if we have a book. Alright, good luck. Here's the base to start. David Price out of 80 for the Rays. David Price out of 80 for the Rays for Jordan. First hit is out of 92, Matt Kemp, Jumbo Gray. Jumbo Gray, Matt Kemp. Next hit is, we have a gold ink, I think. Didn't quite look at that. I believe we have a gold ink, number to 10. We'll go this way. It is number to 10, gold ink, 4 out of 10. Nelson Cruz, not too bad. Texas Rangers, gold ink, number to 10. Texas Rangers, that is Stephen C. with the Rangers. Stephen C. Texas Rangers. Out of 10, Nelly Cruz. Nice card. Anti-aging cream signed. Alright, it's a nice card for the Rangers for Stevens. Gold ink. That is a purple parallel. Those are silver signatures, purple parallel. They use gold ink. Kind of weird how they describe those. Alright, we have... Alright, 2 very nice cards. Here is the first one, or the third one rather. Danny Ugla first, out of 97 for the Braves. So ATL, Danny Ugla. Bravos were William. So William out of 97, Dan Ugla. There he is. Next up, we have a redemption. Here it is. Giancarlo Stanton. Yeah, they have Giancarlo. Retired player, Rainbow Parallels. This is going to be to 25. Retired player, Rainbow Parallel Auto. Out of 25. Tom Seaver. There you go. Tom Seaver for Mr. Joe. With the Mets. Nice card, man. That's a sweet one. There you go, Joe. Yeah, go ahead and put that up on Twitter. Pretty sure Seaver's a Met in this. I'm about 100% positive. There you go. You got it, True? Alright, cool. Joe does not have the Astros, actually. Seaver ruined his scum credit, yep. Alright, so Seaver retired player Rainbow, and the last hit in 5-star. Good luck. Another sweet guy, retired now, Chippa for the Braves. Chippa Jones out of 150 for William P. to end the box on. Nice card. Can't go wrong with Chipper. That was a better box of 5-star than the first one. No book though. Yeah, go ahead and put it on Twitter, True. It's a beautiful card. Chippa Jones. Alright. Chipper out of 150. Beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Okay guys, let me save this video and we'll be back with the last break. Like I said, I lowered the prices on all the teams in the last one. Here is the last break.
like me hesitate us anytime to show you what you need to live. Tell it to me slowly, tell you what I really want to know.
Attaboy, True. I'll retweet him as soon as I get the notification here.
It's like me, hesitate us anytime to show you what you need to live. Tell it to me slowly, tell you what I really want to know. It's the time of the season for love.
Yes, King Lesnar. Anything that's listed on that link is still available. Looks like we're down to 14 teams. 14 teams left.